Hello everyone, this is your friend Alex. Today I'm going to teach you guys the English alphabet and its pronunciation in Haitian Creole. The English alphabet, and its pronunciation in Haitian Creole. So first of all, I'm going to pronounce them in English first, and then I will pronounce them in Creole for you guys, okay? First of all in English, and secondly in Haitian Creole. Alright? So let's get started. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Alright, so let's repeat them again, guys. Let's repeat them again in English one last time. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Alright, now we are going to repeat them in Creole. First of all, I'm gonna say it first in English and then into Creole. Alright? A B C D F, which is the same way in English, is the F is F in Creole, same pronunciation. F is pronounced the same way in English to Creole. F G, which is G H I, which is E J, which is G K L is pronounced the same way in English. L, same way, same pronunciation. L M N O O. O is the same way again in English to Creole. Same pronunciation, same way, same thing. O, which is O. O, O. P, P is P. P, P. P, P. P, P. Q, Q. Q, Q. Q, Q. R, which is air. R, air. R, air. R, air. S, which is the same thing, same pronunciation. S, S, S. T, 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 T. U, E, U, E, U, E. V, 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 V. W, 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 W. X, 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 X. Y, 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 Y. Z, 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 Z. Alright guys, let's repeat them only in Creole, and then I'm gonna repeat them one last time in English, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, 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 L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, S, excuse me, S, T, I, V, V, W, X, Y, et puis Z, Y, and Z. Alright, let's repeat them in English to Creole again. A, which is A, B, 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 C, C, D, D, E, A, F, which is the same thing, F, same pronunciation, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, G, K, K, L, L is the same pronunciation again, L, M, 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 N, N, O, again the same pronunciation, English to Creole, O, O, P, 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 Q, Q, R, R, S, S, which is again the same pronunciation, English to Creole. S is S. T, T. U, E, U, E. V, 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 V. W, 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 W. X, X. Y, 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 and Z, which is Z. Alright guys, I think this is all for today. This is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Um, thank you again. Thank you for watching my videos, and please share this video. Invite a friend into this class. Invite a friend to subscribe, like to the channel. Thank you for watching again, and until then, see you in the next video. See you during this week. All right. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Bye.